Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of smart dash cams with a review of the Nextbase iQ Smart Dash Cam. This isn't your ordinary dash cam, it's packed with AI powered features and advanced technology to keep you and your vehicle safe. Let's get into it. 1. Smart Sense Parking. First up, we have the Smart Sense Parking feature. Imagine getting instant alerts about potential threats near your car. The Nextbase iQ uses proximity sensing and AI to monitor movement around your vehicle. Whether someone is too close or there's unusual activity, you'll know about it immediately. Plus, you can intervene using your voice or an alarm. It's like having a vigilant guard for your car, even when you're not around. It gives you instant alerts if anyone gets too close. Straight to Guardian Mode. Next, let's talk about Guardian Mode. This is perfect for parents or anyone who lends their car to others. You can set speed and location limits and get notified if your car exceeds them. Through the iQ app, you can access the front and rear camera feeds and even communicate with the driver. So whether it's your kids, the mechanic, or a valet, you're always in control. It's a fantastic way to ensure your car is driven safely and responsibly. 3. Witness Mode. Feeling unsafe in your vehicle? That's where Witness Mode comes in. Just say Start Witness Mode and the iQ locks onto the incident, sharing live footage with a trusted contact. This can be a lifesaver if you ever find yourself in a precarious situation. Your contact can see what's happening in real time and step in to help. It's like having a virtual witness in the car with you, ready to support you when you need it most. 4. Emergency SOS Response. Another critical feature is the emergency SOS response. In case of an accident where you're unresponsive, the Nextbase iQ can automatically dispatch emergency services. It shares your location and medical details with emergency personnel to ensure you get the help you need quickly. This feature can be crucial in those moments when every second counts. 5. RoadWatch AI. Finally, let's talk about RoadWatch AI. This feature allows you to review recordings and see the speed of vehicles around you. It's incredibly useful if you ever need to provide evidence after an incident. Whether it's proving your side of the story in a dispute or just reviewing what happened, RoadWatch AI gives you that extra layer of detail that can make all the difference. So there you have it, the Nextbase iQ Smart Dash Cam. With its Smart Sense Parking, Guardian Mode, Witness Mode, Emergency SOS Response, and RoadWatch AI, this dash cam offers unparalleled safety and peace of mind. If you're looking for a high-tech, reliable dash cam, the Nextbase iQ is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Nextbase iQ, and if you have any questions, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.